I'm going to show you a really neat trick to make your own pots from newspaper. They're really eco-friendly, really cheap and really simple to make. All you need are some sheets of newspaper and some jars or tins. The size of your jar or tin is going to determine the size of your pot, so you just want to think about that. A smaller pot might be really good for sowing seeds and a bigger pot for potting on later. Okay, let's get started. So take your sheet of newspaper and you want to fold it almost in half, but not quite, like that. Then you want to fold that top bit that you've left over the top like an envelope. Now this bit's going to be the bottom of your pot and this bit's going to be at the top. So take your jar or your tin, and if you have this bit at the bottom, that's really helpful because then we're going to tuck the bottom into it. So place your jar onto here. You might want to have it just over the top a little bit because it will help you to remove it later. And then just roll it around the jar. Tuck that in into the bottom like that and just press down. And what you might want to do is just flip the jar to give it a proper squish. It doesn't matter too much if it's not perfect because once the compost is in and the water, it's going to hold it together anyway. Now you can fix this bit if you like, but it doesn't matter too much. I've got one of these stapleless staplers that I use just to make it even more eco-friendly. And there you go, that's your pot. And these make really nice gifts for people, so if you use really nice paper, you could pop maybe like a sunflower seed in there and give it to someone in your local community or a friend or a loved one to spread a bit of sunshine. And just remember, once they're damp, they're going to be a little bit squishy, so you might want to stack them in a little tray together so they're easier to move. And that's it, done.